Welcome to MoveMobility's non-emergency mobile medical van. Built on the Ford Transit and Ram ProMaster chassis, this mobile medical van conversion includes durable aluminum cabinetry for easy access to medical equipment and supplies. Cabinetry layouts can be customized to your organization's needs, including special storage areas for equipment, such as emergency kit bags and spine boards. Our AutoFloor flexible flooring system makes it easy to move seats so you can customize the layout for attendants and medical staff. AutoFloor also makes removing and securing a stretcher fast and efficient. An overhead grab bar runs the length of the van, offering stability during travel. The interior of the van is made with aluminum lining, easy to clean, and perfect for a medical environment. The van's own power supply provides bright interior lighting, as well as USB and conventional outlets. For patient and staff comfort, heat and air conditioning are controllable from the rear compartment. We also offer customizable options, like the addition of a folding desk space, fridge, and a cab divider with or without a window. Reach out to MoveMobility today to learn more or to configure your non-emergency mobile medical van.